Welcome to our guide on how to leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to generate income. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence has opened up a world of opportunities, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this revolution. In this guide, we'll explore various ways you can harness the power of ChatGPT to earn money online. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or someone looking to supplement their income, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So let's dive in and discover how you can monetize your interactions with ChatGPT. Number 1. Content creation and copywriting. Content creation and copywriting are vital for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence and connect with their target audience. ChatGPT simplifies this process by generating high-quality content that aligns with your brand voice and resonates with your audience. Whether you need blog posts, social media content, email newsletters, or website copy, ChatGPT can help you produce engaging and relevant content efficiently. By leveraging ChatGPT for content creation, you can save time and resources while maintaining consistency and quality across all your marketing channels. Number 2. Virtual assistants and customer support. Providing exceptional customer support is essential for building customer loyalty and satisfaction. ChatGPT can enhance your customer support efforts by serving as a virtual assistant that interacts with customers in real time. It can handle common inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide relevant information, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. By integrating ChatGPT into your customer support channels, you can improve response times, increase efficiency, and deliver a seamless support experience to your customers. Number 3. Language translation and localization. Expanding your business into new markets requires effective communication with customers who speak different languages. ChatGPT's language translation and localization capabilities enable you to overcome language barriers and connect with global audiences more effectively. Whether you're translating website content, marketing materials, or customer communications, ChatGPT can ensure accurate and culturally appropriate translations. By offering content in multiple languages, you can reach a broader audience, increase brand awareness, and drive international growth for your business. Number 4. Online tutoring and education. The demand for online learning continues to grow, creating opportunities for educators and tutors to reach students worldwide. ChatGPT can support online tutoring and education by providing personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. It can generate interactive lessons, quizzes, and instructional materials that engage students and reinforce learning objectives. Additionally, ChatGPT can offer real-time feedback and assistance, helping students overcome challenges and achieve academic success. By incorporating ChatGPT into your online tutoring platform or educational content, you can enhance the learning experience and empower students to reach their full potential. Number 5. Creative writing and storytelling. Creativity is essential for captivating audiences and building meaningful connections with them. ChatGPT can fuel your creative endeavors by assisting with various writing projects, from crafting compelling stories to generating unique content ideas. Whether you're working on a novel, screenplay, or marketing campaign, ChatGPT can provide inspiration, guidance, and even collaborate with you on developing plot twists or character arcs. With ChatGPT's support, you can unleash your creativity and bring your creative vision to life in exciting and unexpected ways. Number 6. Market research and data analysis. In the realm of market research and data analysis, ChatGPT's capabilities are invaluable. It can sift through vast amounts of customer feedback, reviews, and survey responses to extract meaningful insights. Through sentiment analysis, ChatGPT can determine customer attitudes and preferences, helping businesses tailor their products and services to meet consumer needs effectively. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist in trend analysis by identifying patterns and correlations within datasets, enabling businesses to stay ahead of market trends and make data-driven decisions. Number 7. Social media management. Managing social media presence is crucial for businesses, and ChatGPT offers significant support in this area. By utilizing ChatGPT, businesses can automate the process of creating and scheduling social media posts across various platforms. Additionally, ChatGPT can engage with followers by responding to comments, messages, and inquiries in a timely and personalized manner. With its ability to analyze social media metrics, ChatGPT can provide insights into audience demographics, engagement levels, and content performance, helping businesses refine their social media strategy for maximum impact. Number 8. Automated trading and investment. In the realm of finance, ChatGPT can serve as a powerful tool for automated trading and investment strategies. By leveraging ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, traders can analyze news articles, financial reports, and market trends to inform their investment decisions. ChatGPT can also be integrated with trading algorithms to execute trades automatically based on predefined criteria and risk parameters. Additionally, ChatGPT can monitor market conditions in real time, alerting traders to potential opportunities or risks, and adjusting trading strategies accordingly. Number 9. Game development and interactive storytelling. For game developers and storytellers, ChatGPT opens up new possibilities for creating immersive and engaging experiences. With its ability to generate dialogue and narrative content, ChatGPT can enhance the storytelling elements of games, allowing for dynamic and interactive storytelling experiences. Developers can use ChatGPT to create non-player characters, NPCs, with lifelike dialogue, develop branching storylines with multiple outcomes, and design rich, narrative-driven gameplay experiences. By integrating ChatGPT into game development pipelines, developers can streamline the process of content creation and deliver captivating gaming experiences to players. Number 10. Voiceover and audio production. In the realm of voiceover and audio production, ChatGPT offers a range of capabilities to enhance audio content creation. With its natural language generation abilities, ChatGPT can generate scripts for voiceover narration, podcasts, audiobooks, and radio advertisements. Additionally, ChatGPT's text-to-speech functionality enables businesses to produce high-quality audio content in a variety of languages and accents. By leveraging ChatGPT for voiceover and audio production, businesses can save time and resources while creating engaging and immersive audio experiences for their audience. Number 11. Personal finance management. Managing personal finances effectively is crucial for financial stability and achieving long-term goals. ChatGPT can play a valuable role in this process by providing personalized insights and recommendations tailored to individual financial situations. It can analyze income and expenses, identify spending patterns, and highlight areas where users can save money or invest more wisely. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist users in creating and maintaining a budget, setting financial goals, and tracking progress towards those goals over time. By leveraging ChatGPT for personal finance management, users can gain a clear understanding of their financial health and make informed decisions to improve their financial well-being. Number 12. Health and fitness coaching. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for overall well-being, and ChatGPT can serve as a virtual health and fitness coach to support users in their wellness journey. ChatGPT can offer personalized advice on exercise routines, nutrition plans, and lifestyle changes based on users' goals, preferences, and health status. It can help users set realistic fitness goals, track their progress, and adjust their routines as needed to achieve optimal results. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability to help users stay committed to their health and fitness goals, ultimately leading to improved physical and mental health outcomes. Number 13. Language learning and practice. Learning a new language can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor, and ChatGPT can facilitate the language learning process by providing immersive and interactive experiences for users. ChatGPT can engage users in conversations, simulate real-life scenarios, and offer feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage. It can generate practice exercises, quizzes, and flashcards tailored to users' language proficiency levels and learning goals. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide cultural insights, language tips, and resources to support users in their language learning journey. So why wait? Start exploring the possibilities with ChatGPT today and take your endeavors to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and insights on how to make the most of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and empowerment. Together, we can harness the power of ChatGPT to transform our lives and shape a brighter future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.